Simona Veniona, Kalina Potential.
Hey yo. This is General Ozzy alongside Radio and Weasel. And this was going out to all the potential ladies in the world. True.
Pesa sisi skana mange Kalipaize kubyanga Mumba Umushe wazo ona subisika Muchitenge Nangu muchitambala awe subisika Vambiri Vamakapita Siva makaona awe Ndawa patupi ndalama palipe Anzanga I can do better. Simona Veniona, Kalina Potential, Potential. Kalina Potential, Simona Veniona, Kalina Potential, Potential. Kalina Potential, Simona Veniona.
Uno yanzi japu sabatu nenda bengato. I think I got what I want. Bekatinkula berinya lioli kuba misoto. Tomani, you don't know that she got potential.
She's a honey girl, she got potential. She's a rude girl, she's not the rental. And I deal up her mood, give her some special. Good lifestyle, yes, she's influential. And I demand them right now, me want them. She's me girl them, and she no like them. And that's the reason why good life we conquer. And that's the reason why we must shine the nation.
She's so amazing, and she's blazing. She's got what it takes to be anything. A lawyer, a doctor, or a beauty queen. I impressed. For you alone, I am feeling.
Bukati omuzimula, omulabanga atabisobola. Zindaba. She got potential.
Potential. Simona Veniona, Kalina Potential, Potential.
Let me say, ha, from Kampala to Lusaka, good life will not wabagamba. We conquer, tulina potential, potential. Jefuchi walina potential, Diamond Oscar lina potential, Washington lina potential. Good life will tulina potential, Abenugu tebarina potential. Good life will tulina potential, from Kampala to Lusaka. We say now.
Alina potential.